through a demonstration of how to create or edit a configuration file using ClinicalRegex. The first step is to open ClinicalRegex and select New Project. You'll want to select a data set that you'll be using to do your study. For this demo, I'm just going to pick a practice data set. As always, when using ClinicalRegex, you'll want to select the field in your CSV file which has the note text and what you want it to group by. You remember, if you already have a configuration file, you can go here to load the configuration file, but to create one, you scroll down to this labels section. So label 1, so I'm going to take my first domain and I'm going to call it goals of care. As you can see above, using these word boundary regular expressions, you can choose what exact keywords that you want the software program to pick up. So for this, I'm going to use \b, goals of care, \b. And you'll see from the above that will collect the exact word goals of care. If you want to look at more iterations of any word, like making things plural, you can go online and look on regular expressions and look at the boundaries that you'll need. I'll also want to do goal of care. Just hit enter after you're done typing. You can add as many words as you want into this section. Below you can have sections, any words that you want to be excluded. So if you have notes that have a lot of carried forward text or any specifics that you know that you don't want, you can make an exclusion criteria here that will ignore the keyword if it's found in a certain setting. You can add another label, and you can add as many domains as you would like. You can always remove them using this button here. Once you're satisfied with your keywords and your configuration file setup, you're going to hit submit and let ClinicalRegex run. You can annotate, or you can just go directly to export configuration file. And save your configuration file. The file will save in this format. You'll be able to see the name, goals of care, that's for the domain, and then the expressions and keywords that you've selected already below. If you want to make edits to that configuration file, you can do so at any time. You go to New Project, choose your data set again, choose your text field and your ID field, hit Load a configuration file, select the configuration file that you just created or you created before, and scroll down, and now you can freely edit any of these fields. Taking away or adding anything that you would like. You then hit submit, go to export configuration, and it will save the new configuration file, which you can see has the keyword that I removed. Thanks so much.